Hey fashion and beauty lovers, welcome to the Fashion Try-On. Today we're unboxing Neiman Marcus's free beauty event faux shearling tote and cosmetic bag. These were free gifts with a minimum purchase. For example, you got the cosmetic bag with a $350 purchase and the tote bag with a $150 purchase, or I guess the other way around. Let's take a look first and foremost at our free beauty event products. So first, right off the bat, we can tell that this shearling tote bag, faux shearling tote bag, is very soft, very plush. The leather lining was a little bit crimped coming out of the bag, but I think that will iron out. If we look inside, there is even more plushy material. And then at the bottom of the bag, we find our sample goodies. Let's go ahead and dig into these and give you a peep at what's inside. Oh, first and foremost, we need to mention that the bottom of this bag is actually constructed. So that's always a good sign. I feel like it helps a lot with structure of the bag. You know, things are not going to all fall into the middle and collapse. There's at least some sort of structure. So first and foremost, we have a few perfume samples. So these are perfume samples from Mind Games. And this is a new brand that we've seen recently in Neiman Marcus's stores. I actually had the opportunity to smell these recently and they smelled very luxurious. I'm not sure if they're especially for me. They felt like unisex flavors or unisex scents, and the store associate recommended that is true. I do love their chess piece oriented branding, and I think especially if you have someone in your life that loves chess, this could be a cool gift that feels luxurious and like a treat. All right, next up we have another sample of a perfume from Creed. Creed is an interesting brand because they claim that all of their ingredients are natural, so I love that. Next we have a Dior Prestige La Creme sample. This is an intensive repairing cream. I'm not entirely sure what that one is, to be honest. Then we have a Sisley Emulsion Cream. I'm going to go through these pretty quickly because I'm not entirely familiar with all these brands. And truth be told, trying to get into skincare a little bit more recently. So if anyone does have any comments or recommendations for any of these samples, please let us know in the comments below. Next up, we have this Solaso First Cure Activating Serum. It feels like a very deluxe sample, so that is a very nice treat. And that seems to be it for all of the samples that come with the tote. Now let's take a look in the cosmetic bag, because they do say that once you unlock the cosmetic bag, you get a whole nother slew of samples. Right off the bat, we can also see that the cosmetic bag is structured in the bottom, which is just so helpful. I think we're definitely going to be using this one with this shearling tote bag. It looks like such a cozy set, and I love that it matches. All right, trying to dig into this one. Okay, first up here we have a Clé de Peau product. This is a lotion hydro adoucissant, a softening lotion. I guess I read the French first. Then we have an Elysium pour homme. So, oops, it's missing. Let's go ahead and find it in the bottom of our bag. Okay, so we have a men's fragrance. Next up we have a Moncler perfume or cologne sample as well, you know, for her or for him, or for them or for anyone. It doesn't seem to be labeled for anyone specific, so we'll guess that this one is genderless as well. And then we have Sacred Water the Harmonist. This one is also a perfume sample. So overall, we got a lot of perfumes in these samples, so those will be fun to try out. So if you're into perfumes, if you love getting samples, this is definitely going to be a treat for you. Last but not least, we also have a Soluaso Concentrated Ginseng Rewind Cream. So this is again another deluxe sample. It feels like these two products from this brand were kind of the star of both of the shows. I must say, I opened this one up and I'm not a total fan of the scent. So if you like ginger, you'll like that, but I can't fully get behind trying this one out. I wish I could gift it someone here. All right, finally, let's pack up our little tote bag and our cosmetic bag and see how these two carry. So it looks like our cosmetic bag can fit a lot of product, and our tote bag does too. I can't wait to start using these. They feel like the perfect transition tote to welcome us into the fall. As always, thanks for watching and subscribe for more.